Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to channel. So dear viewers, today I am thrilled to introduce you to a super fun and vibrant project that brings real world energy into the decentralized crypto space. It's bold, it's cultural, and it's built on the love of memes, parties and rewards. Welcome to the world of Smoozy. Before we dive into this exciting universe, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel BitBloom Crypto and hit the bell icon so you never miss out the update like this one on trending projects of crypto and NFT. Let me clear that this video is being made only for the information and it must not be considered as financial investment advice. Let's jump into the details of the project. So here we will discuss each and every aspect of the project. Smoozy is not just another meme token. It's a movement, a bridge between real world fun and on-chain rewards. Whether you are sipping a drink, dancing or sharing memes, you can earn free Smoozy token just by being part of the culture. Its mission, make memes real, make crypto fun, make community win. Smoozy rewards the vibes, not just the buys, and it is bringing so many opportunities, and here we will discuss each and every aspect of this project. And here you can see Smoozy is a meme token, a cult, a club, a community. Smoozy airdrop is live, and here you can check the details. The main difference from 100 of faceless meme coins is that Smoozy is built around a real, iconic and viral figure. Post a photo or dance with any drink as your Smoozy and earn free Smoozy tokens. You will have to follow these steps to join. First of all, you will have to follow our social media links, and then you will have to show your Smoozy drink, and then you will have use all 8 hashtags given in the website. Then you will have to tag a Smoozy, and then you will have to mention 2 friends, and you can get at least 500 views or 100 likes. Submit your claim and you can soon visit the official website. Here what we are giving out 500 plus views or 100 likes is equal to 500 to 800 Smoozy token, and more engagement like 1,000 to 5,000 Smoozy, viral content up to 10,000 Smoozy, creative funny meme bonus tokens you can claim, and it is going to be coming very soon. Here you can check the contract address of the Smoozy. Go to the Jupiter and you can buy it. Here is Smoozy link have been provided in the description. You can check, and now we will discuss the tokenomics. Here you can see that its total supply is 333 million and 80% liquidity is locked for a year. And here you can check that 10% is reserved for team and it's locked for a year, and 10% airdrops, marketing and partnerships. So here you can check the contract address, Smoozy name, and Smoozy token symbol is SMZ. And here you can check the coming soon features. First of all, we will discuss inside weekly mini airdrops. Incoming small airdrops will now be available every week for our community. Join by completing full challenges or quests, whether it's being fastest, getting the most votes. And the next one is the Smoozy Fox values and vision. Here you can check the core values, rewarding activities, culture inclusivity and creative freedom. All the details have been provided. So next question is how to buy. The process is very simple and very easy. First of all, you will have to get a Solana wallet, download and set up a Solana compatible wallet like Phantom. Save your recovery phrase safely and never share it with anyone. And the step 2 will have add Sol token to your wallet, and the step 3 will be visit Jupiter DEX, decentralized exchange. Later I will explain. And the next step and the last one is swap Sol for Smoozy. It in the token selector, paste the Smoozy contract address, select how much Sol token you want to swap, and then you can review the price and then click swap, approve the transaction in your wallet. We go to the Jupiter. So here you can see that I have connected my wallet. So here you can see that wallet has been connected, and here you can see that I have got Smoozy contract address and search for the token. And here you can see that if we have 10 Sol token, we can buy 21,699 and 5,541 Smoozy token. And here you can check that if we change the chain and if we select USDT, so So here you can see if we select USDT, then we can buy this amount of, and it consists of 179,560 Smoozy token if you have 10 USDT in your wallet. So next one is the, you can find Smoozy token on SolScan. The token was launched just recently on July 7th, 2025. So it's still super early. Right now it's trading at about 0.00003436 with a total market cap close to $11,456. There are over 333 million tokens in circulation. And since Smoozy is built on Solana, it benefits from fast and low cost transactions. The token is still under the control of the same wallet that created it, which is pretty normal at this early stage. Also, token extensions are not active, and you can find basic trading data on Jico Terminal and Jupiter. And here, now to clear that, Smoozy is not claiming to be the next big right now, but that what makes it interesting to some early watchers. It's a chance to see how new tokens grow and how community may start forming around them. And this is the official Twitter page of Smoozy, and I would like to suggest all my viewers to follow the official Twitter page of Smoozy to get real-time updates, announcements, and latest news about the Smoozy token. And this page will be proved very useful for you. And the next one is the Telegram community, and Smoozy is growing organically through meme, reels, and dance contents. And you can check the challenges, leaderboards, and spotlight prizes, collaborations with influencers, dancers, and trendsetters, strategic reserve for CEX listing, brand partnerships, and toy merchandise. So all these updates you can get through Smoozy community, and I would like to suggest all my viewers to be part of the Telegram community of the Smoozy. So dear viewers, if you love fun, culture, and crypto all blended together, Smoozy is your scene. From memes to rewards, from dance to tokens, it's time to join the Smoozy movement and let your creativity pay off. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. That's all.